Hi, I'm Sophie from Motorwork, and I just want to show you the check-in process with every customer that comes in the shop. So here I've got a lovely customer with an RS4. He's come in to maintain the vehicle, and I just wanted to show you, we do a walk around of the vehicle every time a customer comes in. We have this little check sheet here just so we can make sure if there's any damages, dents or anything on the vehicle that we need to make you aware of. So for example here, we got a little scratch here that we would mark off on the sheet just to make sure we're on the same page. We check tires, rims, everything around the vehicle, the trunk. So here we've got a little scratch. Also, we just want to make sure that everybody that comes into the shop has these lovely Motorwork license plate holders. We actually donate $10 to charity for either Joanna's House or SPCA. So the reason why we do this is just for your peace of mind and so that you and your vehicle are being looked after.